Hi friends, step into channel once again. Hope you watched the previous videos of statistics. Happy Statistics Day once again. So now the Association of Mathematics Teachers of India, AMTI, it's very powerful Olympiad examination national level. Okay, so these questions we are going to discuss. It has 3 levels: 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, 10th. So now we are going to discuss some of the important and interesting problems, and this problem is very important for competitive examinations, and already we have been discussed this type of problems. The link is given in the description. Okay, watch it later. So competitive examinations also it is very useful, so please listen carefully. And here this is a binary operation defined between the two variables a and b here, where a and b are any two numbers. If a star b is equal to a plus 2b minus ab, this is a defined binary operation. And this is if 3 star k is equal to 4, then k is what? So that is a thing here. Now, so don't be afraid. In two ways I am going to explain this one for maths and non-maths students. So please listen carefully. It's very easy. Small logic is here. So solution. So given a star b is equal to 2a plus 2b minus ab. This is the definition of between the two variables, here the binary operation defined. So also if 3 star k is 4, then you had to determine the k value. Actually math students, if you are a good gem, just a substitution and getting the value you can do in 20 seconds, but here keeping in the view. So here a is 3 and b is k here. Okay, so I can write here 3 star is equal to 3 star k is equal to 4 now. So 2 into here our a value is nothing but 3 plus 2 into b value is k minus ab, 3 into k is equal to 4. Once again I am writing here compare this one and this one. A is 3 and b is k, and then proceed. This step plays important role, please viewers check it. So now this implies 6 plus 2k minus 3k is equal to 4. If you observe carefully, this is a linear equation, one variable, nothing but simple equation. 6th sense students, even non-maths also can solve now. Just if you should go through the two steps carefully, these two steps. So nothing but I can write here 6 minus k is equal to 4. This implies now here minus k is equal to 4 minus 6 implies nothing but I shifted to this side. So minus k is equal to 1 positive 1 negative, so that I am going to get minus 2. Finally k value is 2 here. Nothing but suited is D option. So just in 20 seconds I have done this problem. Okay. So now here one more method here I am doing after doing this one. So you can also do in this way. I have been shifted 6 to the side, but here I am shifting here 6 minus 4 is equal to k. So here I have been shifted nothing but 6 minus k is equal to 4. Here I shifted 6 to k to that side, and here 4 to this side LHS. So that direct step here nothing but k value is 2. So for the maths and non-maths students I have done these last two steps. For non-maths students here this one is quite easy, but here some complicated. So please viewers, it is important for all competitive examinations, so keep it in the mind here this one. So AMTI examination, Association of Mathematics Teachers of India, it is a prestigious Olympiad throughout India. So please viewers, once you have a look. So keep it in the mind, it is also important for Olympiads. So catch you in the next video. Thank you.